Hey, this is your girl, Bright Eyes. So I'm just going to do a video showing you how to delete your file from your Sony action camera. There's two ways of doing it. I'm going to show you the older way, which is connecting the UPS to your camera. And right now, if you go to the files right here, and you click on this, and you go to the MP root, you check to see if there's any files there, you select, then you go to your trash can to delete. Or you also want to make sure there's no files in this folder too, because sometimes there'll be files in this folder. Right now there's no files. Okay. So the other way I'm going to show you that's a lot easier is you want to go on your phone, your smartphone, and you want to make sure that you download this app, which is called Image Editing and Action Cam. So right now I'm going to click on Action Cam. And you see where it says Import? You click on Import. Okay. Right now it's not going through because maybe it's because I'm connected the files to my computer. Oh yeah, now I know why it's not connected. I gotta set it up on the Wi-Fi. So right now I'm just gonna go to I'm gonna look for Wi-Fi and I'm checking for it, see if it pops up. Okay, it didn't pop up because it's hooked up to my camera. I was hoping it would work hooking up to, it didn't pop up because it's hooked up to my computer on me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna disconnect. Just disconnect from the computer, and then I'm gonna see again. Oh, wait till it pops up. Okay, so right now, you see here, this is to hook up to the Sony action camera. So I'm gonna click on that. Okay, so right now it's connected. My back. It's doing the same thing. It's gonna connect. Okay, so I'm gonna click here. You're supposed to go on that the other app. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna click here. You see the garbage icon. This is how you could delete your video off your Sony action camera. I'm gonna click here, and you see the video. We'll press the garbage can. Let's see if I could show it with the clear. Okay, it say delete the image in the action camera. So I'm gonna click OK. Right? It says delete. Say delete. I'm gonna click OK again. So now it's deleted. Same thing here. I want to delete this film. I'm just gonna click the garbage icon. See if I could get the glare. I'll say delete the image in the camera. Click OK. Click OK again. So they say there are no images that could be display, right? So now I'm gonna hook up the action camera back to my computer, and then you're gonna see it's not there no more. Right now, I just gotta turn off the Wi-Fi on the other phone. Okay, so you see that part? Okay, right now I'm gonna click on Untitled again. And then I'm gonna go back here to see if there's any videos. I'm gonna click here again. It's gone. So the easiest way to do it over your phone with the app. So I hope that helps. because I was trying to figure out, I was going through my action camera trying to delete the files. Like, wait a minute. Then I checked on YouTube, then there was no video that showed you really how to do it. So I was like, let me do this video. Alright, so I hope that helps. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.